morning students. Today we start a new topic, multiplication and division involving money. So let's start the topic. Firstly, in first example, we see that how to multiply money to convert passive. Okay, so this process also takes multiplication. First example is, suppose we have what is rupees 207.25 multiplied by 4. Okay, so how we multiply it? Firstly, a basic method. First method is basic method, means basic multiplication. So rupees 207.25 multiplied by 4, and we got 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 2s are 8 and 2 10, carry 1, 4 7s are 28 and 1 29, carry 2, 4 0 0, so carry this 2, and 4 2s are 8, and we got the answer rupees 829. The second method is this method is a little lengthy than the first method. In this process, firstly we convert this money, means this rupees, into paise. So we know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Then rupee 207.25 equal to is equal to 207.25 multiply 100. We already did that. When we have to convert into paise, we multiply it by 100. So the answer we got 207.25 paise. Okay, we got this. After this, we multiplied it by 4. Two 5 paise multiplied by 4. So by the same process, 207.25 multiplied by 4, and we got 5 4s are 20, carry 2, 4 2s are 8 and 2 10, carry 1, 4 7s are 28 and 1 29, carry 2, and 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are this is 2, and 4 2s are 8. So we got 82,900 paise. After this, we have to convert this into rupees. So we divided by 100. Divided by 100. So 82,900 divided by 100, and we got rupees 829. So both the process are same, means we got the answer which is same, but in first case we multiplied direct multiplication by 4. Okay, but in second method, firstly we convert into paise. After this we multiplied it by 4, and at last we divided by 4. We divided by 100. So finally we got the answer same, 829 rupees. Okay. So after this, the next question is, the next question is 29.46 6 multiply by 3. We have to multiply this rupees by 3. So multiplied by 3. 3 6 are 18. Carry 1. 4 3 are 12 and 1 13. Then carry 1. 3 9 are 27 1 28. Carry 2. And 3 2 are 6 and 2 8. So the answer we got is rupees 88.38. And the concept of decimal is, if in the question this is after 2 digits from right, then in the answer it is 2 digits from right. Okay. The next question is question 3, in which we have 182 rupees and 23 paise. We write it as this is rupees and this paise, and we have to multiply it by 12. So how to solve it? 12 3s are 36. Carry 3. 12 2s are 24 and 3 27. Carry 2. 12 2s are 24 and 2 26. Carry 2. 12 8s are 96 and 2 98. Carry 9. 12 1s are 12 and 1 and 9 21. And there the decimal is after 2 digits from right, so we also put here after 2 digits from right, and got the answer rupees 2186.76. That's the answer. The next concept is these 3 questions are based on multiplication, but in the next concept we will see the concept based on division. So division with conversion to paise, and the question is, first question is, what is rupees 348.24 divided by 2. So in this process, first method is basic method. And the basic method is directly divided by 2. So this rupees 348.24 and we divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, subtracted 3 minus 2 1. Then this 4 comes here. So 2 sevens are 14. Remaining 8, this is 0. We subtracted 14 minus 40, so this is 0, and this 8 comes here. So 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0, and then 2. So 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 4 comes here. 2 2s are 4. Then the answer we got 17,412. But in this question, there is a decimal after 2 digits from the right. So we put a decimal here, 2 digits after 2 digits from right, and got the answer. What is the answer? Rupees 174.12. So this is the first method. The second method is in the second method, firstly we multiplied it by 100 to convert into paise. This is rupees 348.24 rupees 348.24. This is given. So we convert into paise. So this is a conversion into paise. How to convert this money into paise? By multiplication of 100. So 348.24 multiply 100, and we got 348.28 means 34,824 paise. After this, we multiplied it by 2. We divided by 2. So by normal division method, which is 348 to 4, we divided by 2, which is 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2 1, then 4 comes here, 2 7 ja 40, 40 minus 40 0, then this 8, so 2 4 ja 8, this is 0, then 2 2 1 ja 2, subtract 0, then 4, so 2 2 ja 4, and we got the same answer 17,412. But this money is in paise. So to convert to find a normal answer, we divided by 100. 17,412 by 100, and this paise convert into rupees, and we got rupees 174.12 rupees. Is it clear?